Hi, Gaza.
Hi, Rafiki. What is the story for today?
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful forest. An elephant lived there, along with many other animals. The elephant walked slowly and carefully through the forest. He watched every step so that he would not hurt plants or small creatures. High on the top of a tree, a bird sat happily in her nest. Suddenly, the branch shook and the nest slipped down. The elephant was passing under the tree. He quickly lifted his trunk and gently saved the nest. The bird was very happy and thanked the elephant. A few days later, the elephant was walking in the forest again. Suddenly, poachers attacked and trapped him. The same bird saw this and became very scared. She flew away to find help. Soon, she saw some men in the forest and chirped loudly to get their attention. The men followed the bird. And freed the elephant. The poachers ran away. The elephant and the bird became good friends. They lived happily ever after.
So, Gaja, what is the moral of the story?
Kindness always returns?
Very good, Gaja.
Alright, so kids, liked the story? Tell your mom to subscribe?